Situated in Golmud, Qinghai, the project operates in an extreme environment, presenting significant challenges to the long-term reliability of PV plant operations. In the Golmud PV plant Phase 3, Huawei company deployed a total of 690 megawatts of PV modules. The project uses Huawei smart string inverters, which have been running reliably for over 10 years.
组车是逆变器，就是整体是因为它的防护等级相对的比较高，适用于我们是高寒高海拔，包含高紫外线的一种运行的环境。故障率大概是0.5%左右。
在业界的这种情况下，基本上是超过1%到2%，甚至到5%。
就是我们同容量的组车式逆变器，它的整体发电量较我们集中式的整体高了1.35%左右。
This project is the first utility-scale PV plant that uses string inverters and has been operating stably for over 10 years. It will continue delivering green power with high quality, high reliability, and smart O&M, becoming a benchmark for global PV projects.